Alright, I'm going to attempt to repair this horribly mangled, you can see duct tape, controller cord, and these two thumbsticks. Thumbsticks are easy. Alright, you need a standard screwdriver, Phillips head. There's a hidden screw here, not there. I don't know that I've opened this one yet. There we go. Freedom! Alright. Screws, please. Alright, all 7 screws are loose. Okay, now, just leave that over there. Thumbsticks just pop right off. A million examples of how to repair thumbsticks. And I will pop my new ones on. I wish that was all I had to do. Thumbstick, thumbstick. They go on like so. At least they're supposed to go on like so. Yes, alright, got it loose. Those are the thumbstick connection. Alright, not removing those. Or I say thumbstick, trigger buttons. Just push the trigger buttons in, and it pops right out. No retaining clips at all. Alright, and then this should... Aha! Once you're clear of the... There you go. Alright. Alright, we are clear of the housing. These should... I imagine they clip in place. I don't want to break anything here. Ah, okay, they don't. They just pop right out. Let's see. The littler one is on the left-hand side, and the larger one is on the right-hand side of the controller. Alright, I'm going to pop my thumbstick back off here again. Okay, maybe I'm not. Oh, come on, you, let go. Yep, come right off. You can see right here, there are 4 little pins. This is going to be the hard part of this repair. I need to pull that solder off there and remove this connector right here. You can get a good look right there, that connector. On my new wire, which is right here, there are those same 4 pins that are going to have to be soldered back into place. Alright, time to get out the soldering iron. Alright, everybody. Right here, you can see where I touched a thing I'm not supposed to touch with the soldering iron, so be careful with that. I'm now going to chop each one of these little pins. I don't have any soldering braid to remove the solder. I've been trying to use a multi-core wire. It's not being very effective, so I'm just going to chop these off with some diagonal cutters, and then I'm going to try to push the new connector through. I've had some trouble with this solder melting at a low melting point. It's fairly high. I had to max out my soldering iron in order to get it to melt, so we'll see. I don't recommend doing this. It's really complicated repair, so take care of your fucking cords. Alright, I got the connector pulled out, and now I'm going to replace it with my 4-pin connector replacement piece.
Jesse got the rest of his sacred
Alright, and it's finished. Brand new controller cord, brand new thumbsticks. It's still pretty dirty, but it seems to have been a success.
It is pretty full, I'll tell you what.